Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to recover the deleted notes on your Google Keep. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to recover the deleted notes on your Google Keep. So first of all, just selecting those notes like this and clicking on the three dots and clicking deleting option. So you can undo this option by using this. Otherwise, you just click on this three dot option on the top. You will see an option called deleted. So just click this on deleted option. So here notes in recycle bin or deleted after 7 days. So you can only recover the notes that have been deleted within a 7 days. If you deleted the notes past week, it will not and we can't recover it. So you can just hold this and you will see an option called restore. So now the notes has been restored, or click this and click on this three dot and you can just delete forever, or otherwise you just click on this time symbol which actually recover the notes to your notes. Now you can see in my main page the notes has been recovered, and this is how you just recover your deleted notes on your Google Keep. I think this video, I will not like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.